strengthening to integrate the energy of Major Arcana 14, Temperance. This card symbolizes balance, harmony, and moderation in all life aspects. It represents the ability to blend elements for a fuller, healthier existence. In health, Temperance signals renewal and well-being, with emotional balance fostering physical health. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcana. We strengthen your midline to accept and live in accordance with these energies. Let's align your body, mind, and spirit. Be centered, balanced, and stable. We strengthen the mind-body connection. We balance thoughts and emotions to work in harmony. We remove any internal conflict energy blocking this balance. We release tension and energy blockages from your micro to macro body, enhancing fluid communication between both. We balance the material and spiritual aspects of your being. We eliminate imbalances and energetic misalignments. We boost your ability to reduce health-harming habits. We remove excesses or deficits caused by these harmful habits. Strengthening a balanced lifestyle that embodies temperance. We reinforce moderation as key to physical and emotional health, empowering you to avoid extremes that lead to imbalance. We release repressed emotions and reactions through energy portals. We enhance the flow of energy. We strengthen your ability to process and release emotions. Strengthen patience, acceptance, and tolerance for your own life journey and others. Be strong to understand, embrace, and allow each stage of every process. We amplify your inner calm to be patient, confident, and open to life's wisdom. We remove impatience, resistance, and fear of change. Be strong and allow energy to flow naturally through you. We boost energy flow in your physical and non-physical body. We enhance your ability to maintain balanced, harmonious relationships. We increase your mindfulness to be cautious, present, and avoid rash actions. We clear away energies of conflict, confrontation, and complaint. Be strong in empathy, communication, and understanding others' journeys. We strengthen your connection to spiritual essence, higher self, and universal wisdom, empowering you to be guided in actions, decisions, and choices through balance. We remove blockages, stagnation, and ties hindering this connection, opening you to spiritual guidance and protection. We boost emotions and reactions for self-mastery, sufficiency, and independence, empowering you to think, speak, and act with moderation, enabling you to choose appropriate words, moments, and tones. We enhance the resilience inherent in emotional balance, strengthening you to emerge more robust from all adversities. We increase your ability to handle intense emotions skillfully, empowering you to master behaviors with awareness and presence. We reinforce acceptance of differences, errors, and challenges. We remove anger, frustration, criticism, complaints, and rejection. We boost serenity, calm, and confidence in stressful situations, strengthening a calm, reflective, and intelligent attitude. We reinforce discipline, focus, and consistency in your goals and values. We eliminate distractions, avoidance, and self-sabotaging temptations. We enhance your inner balance at every level, quantum to molecular. We strengthen prudence, wisdom, and discretion, empowering thoughtful decisions and reactions by considering outcomes. We improve reflection to analyze situations calmly and objectively. We reinforce sobriety to maintain a simple, controlled, positive attitude. We strengthen resistance against fleeting emotions and desires. We eliminate reproaches, regrets, and remorse. We remove the effects of impulsive, harmful, and negative choices. Strengthen self-control through values, principles, and knowledge. Develop balanced empathy without extremes. Enhance your ability to prioritize, organize, and manage tasks and routines. Increase harmony between your body, mind, and spirit. Strengthen both your conscious and subconscious mind. Cultivate a calm, firm, and clear determination. Stay calm and quickly overcome overwhelming emotions. Increase your ability to let go and detach from harmful influences, from what doesn't serve you or hinders growth, without attachment or suffering. Reinforce temperance as an internal balancing force. Make it your virtue to handle life with wisdom and peace. Will integrate in all directions, up, down, up, right, left, right, back, front, and front, back. Will strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and geometric vertices at 100% potential, infinitely all the time. Will remove all obstacles blocking, limiting, or delaying these connections, integrations, reinforcements, and clearings. Will send it to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, energy, black holes, and wormholes. Powerfully reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? Any different?